Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Capcut. So here I've already inserted a video in my Capcut, and then if you guys want to crop the video that you edit into Capcut, you just need to click on the video in the timeline like this until it shows the highlight part like this, and you just need to browse over the toolbar at the bottom until you find the edit option. So this one's right here, just click on that, and then you'll find the crop tool that you want to use. So you just click on the crop tool. Okay, so here you can see there are so many aspect ratio that you can use to crop the video, but there is also a free one right here. So the free one, it is used when you want to just crop the size of the video as you like this. You just need to, you can shrink the video like this, or you can also do the you can just string over like this, or you can just choose the preset or the template from the CapCut like this. For example, I want to make it horizontal like this, so I'm going to just choose or click on the square one like this, and you can also adjust the other preset or aspect ratio. So I'm going to just click on the square one and then click on the check icon like this, so the video will be cropped, and when you're done you can just click on the save right here. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can crop a video in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.